So while the unit is in storage, you want to make sure that the battery is disconnected from the skate. This prevents any draining of the battery. To access this, you just slide out the side wall right here, and now you have access to the connection. This is the cable that comes from the skate, and you just plug this into the battery, so now you're fully connected. When you're disconnecting or connecting, just make sure that the battery here in front, accessible, that it's turned off.